Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Steve Freeman coming at you from Zombies Bar here in San Antonio. Tonight, we're gonna do a little take on a White Russian. We're gonna be making a drink called the Drunken Monkey drink. Okay, for tonight's ingredients, we're gonna be using good old Titos Vodka. We've got our Kahlua, which is our coffee liqueur. We're also gonna be using our banana. You guys can use any flavor banana that you'd like. We're gonna be topping it all off with a little bit of whole milk. Guys, those are the ingredients for tonight's drink. Let's get to making it. Okay guys, now to make our drink, we got our glass. We're gonna fill it up with ice. Okay, now that we have that fill of ice, first thing we're gonna do an 1.5 ounces of our vodka. Okay, next we're gonna follow that with 1 ounce of Kahlua. After that, we're gonna do 1 ounce of our banana. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna top this off with our milk. That looks great. I like to do this, guys. Not a lot of bartenders like to do this, but I like to do it. I like to do just 1 or 2 quick, just little jars. You're using milk, because if you shake it up, it's gonna foam real bad, and you're gonna get it all over the place. Okay, this just gives it a nice little mix. I can smell the banana from here, actually. Awesome. Now let's put in our straw there, guys. And that right there, guys, is the Drunken Monkey drink. Okay, guys, now for the taste test. Grab our straw, go down. Oh my God, that's really, really good. Guys, if you like White Russians, or let me see, it's an easier way to say this. If you've never had this drink before or White Russian before, basically the creaminess from the milk and the coffee liqueur are great. It tastes great. By doing the banana, you've got this banana smoothie drink. You don't even taste the vodka, so plus on that one. But you guys have definitely got to try this at home. Next time you come in the bar, I'd love to make you one. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed making our version of the Drunken Monkey drink. If you guys have got to try this at home, or if you'd like to, come on to the bar, we'd love to make you one. Guys, if you like what I'm doing, please, down below in the comment section, leave me a comment. If you guys would like to subscribe to the channel, hit that subscribe button, and make sure to hit the like button, so that way it does something to the YouTube algorithm out there somewhere. Until our next video, guys, I'll see you then.